free.
Beautiful babes, what is up? Your girl is excited today. It has been a long time coming, but guess what finally showed up? My Avon order. I'm so happy. I don't know what to do. All I can do is unbox it for you all today. So let's get to it. Oh my goodness. It's a big box, but I tell you, it's really, I don't know if it's that much in it or not. I don't know. Anyway, listen, y'all know Avon is notorious for having the most amazing sales on things. So you know what I did? Do y'all remember the little reindeer I got for Christmas last year? Well, I ended up ordering. It's a companion. And baby, let me tell you something. I got it for the low. I'm not going to open it up, but this is what it looked like here, if y'all recall this from my Christmas haul with Avon. So all I want to do right now is just pack this back up and put it with the Christmas decor for 2026 Christmas, okay? So I got that. Got the little styrofoam pieces flying everywhere. I was so happy. Well, I was kind of happy and sad at the same time because I paid full price previously for it. But this time around, again, I got it for the low. So let's get into this box. So I got a few items, you know. Got books and stuff like that don't nobody need because y'all go online and order from your favorite Avon representative, which is I know. Okay. Listen, candles. Your girl got some candles. Did I get two? I think I got two. I don't know, one or two. Maybe just one. I don't know. But I did get this scrub. This is the Senses Caramel Soul Body Scrub. And I'm excited about taking this and doing my shower. Struggling trying to open things up today, y'all. Smells good, but it's like a creamy scrub, so it's not going to be that abrasive. It's more like a polish. But I look forward to using that. Okay, we'll just put the trash with the trash. I have this layered Senses Soleil, Some Like It Hot candle. And y'all know since I have my new candle warmers, I love them so much. Ooh, that smells good. I'll put that on the one in the bedroom. That smells awesome. And I thought I got another candle, but I guess I didn't. But I did get this, which is an exfoliating body scrub. It is the Avon Organist. And hey, I'm gonna be doing a few body scrubs, okay? I have not made my own in a while, but I plan on going back to doing that soon. So, you know I love their bubble baths, so I did get a couple of those. I got two of the Sun-Kissed Coconuts, these two, and I got one of the Caramel Soul. So this body scrub and that goes together. And then, what do we have here? The Senses Cozy Vanilla Coconut Hand Soap. Goodness gracious, this is right on time. I tell you, that storm kind of threw us for a loop, baby. And guess what? I was running low. So now we are good to go. And I got, yes, the vanilla coconut. I love vanilla. I love coconut scented items. Ooh, yes, love that so much. This is a cute little package. What is this? Oh, this is the foot peel spray. So I'm not sure how this works, but I will tell y'all when I use it what is going to go down. Let me see if I can read about this real quick and see what she's talking about. All right, it says shake well before use. Spray evenly onto dry feet, focusing on areas with rough skin. Gently massage into your skin and rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. And then what's supposed to happen? It's gonna get rid of the skin. Okay, I don't know, but we're gonna find out. So your girl got another Skin So Soft body scrub. I don't know why I was doing this scrub thing. I guess I just wanted to make sure my skin is well polished this season. And for my office right here, I needed this hand cream like so bad. I did. I think it's got a closed tab on it. But girl, these hands in the wintertime, they be crying for moisture. And I constantly go through old moisturizers, but I needed me an actual hand cream. And again, I'm struggling opening everything today. Why? I don't know why. Got it. All right. This is some of the best hand cream ever. Okay, I guess y'all have this taped down because she is not coming up. Ooh, child. What the world? What the world? Okay. Get those off of my face so y'all can see my eyes today. Girl, I did my eyeshadow. I did. That's nice. Oh, you talking about hands feeling like they got some sense now. Oh, they were rough. Because I just, of course, cooked my breakfast and my hands were in water, rinsing out dishes. What do we have here? Ooh, I got a shower gel. I have the Skin So Soft Radiant Renew shower gel. Nice. Does this go with the scrub? No, they're two different ones. Okay. All right. And anything else? Oh, this shower gel goes with this one. Okay. The Hydroplenish. This is going to be a nice shower routine. I might invite y'all to hang out with me. And that's it. All done. That is it, y'all. I'm excited. Let me put these things away. And your girl will be popping in over here shortly because, you know, I'll let you see my OOTD in just a little bit. So y'all stick and stay right here. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, your favorite Avon representative. You make sure if you order it from Avon, click the link below. Okay, and it'll come right to your house. And I appreciate all of you all who have actually patronized your girl on our Avon store. So I appreciate y'all there. And hey, we'll see y'all in the next one. Take care, beautiful babes. And I'll see you then. Bye.